how to find all your friends or pages, likes, and relationships on your Facebook app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you all your connection history on Facebook. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Facebook app, and here click on those three lines up there. Click on the setting icon beside the search icon, scroll down and click on your time on Facebook. If this doesn't work, go again and click again, and they're gonna show you this list. Click on see time and scroll down, click on see activity log. Now all you need to do is scroll down again until you find connection, friends, pages, page likes, and relationships. Click on view connection, and they're gonna show you all the friends you have ever send and followed them, or your relationships or page likes. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.